Hi, I'm Dr. Nandita Patwari, consultant pediatrician and neonatologist from Cloudnine Sarjapur Hospital, Bangalore. Yes, white noise is very much safe for newborns. In fact, in today's urban world, when there is so much of background noise, using white noise to calm your baby and to help them sleep is an effective method. However, we must ensure that it is something that does not hinder the baby's sleep. So we can use a white noise, we can use an electronic device to generate white noise. Please ensure that the noise level is only 50 to 60 decibels, that of a quiet conversation, and it should not be used round the clock. It should be used only at the night time or when the baby is sleeping. Yes, we can use white noise. Using white noise is definitely useful, but we need to be careful about a few things. We can leave the white noise on the whole night, but we need to ensure a few things. There should be a safe distance between the baby and the machine generating the white noise. Again, we need to be mindful of the amount of noise generated, and occasionally we might need to take a break from the white noise so that we eventually reach a point where white noise is not needed for the baby. These are the ways in which we can optimize white noise for the baby. White noise comes with its pros and cons. The pros, first and foremost, it's a very soothing kind of environmental music which helps the baby sleep. When there is a soothing environmental music, it helps the baby's brain also develop. It also mimics the uterine sound or the womb environment, which also gives a sense of comfort to the baby. It helps to block out background noise. So this is really soothing for the baby, especially if you live in an area which has a lot of traffic or background noise. In such cases, white noise can be extremely helpful. It helps the baby get deep and restful sleep. Cons of using white noise would be, first and foremost, eventually the baby might start getting dependent on it. So as the baby grows, we must try to decrease the amount of white noise. Secondly, sometimes if the noise is not controlled, it can be disruptive and does affect the quality of sleep. So we need to be mindful of the amount and the sound quality of the white noise. Thirdly, it does affect the sleep of the other members in the family, so might be disruptive to the sleep quality of the other members of the family.